Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's see the markets real quick. Ooh. Good trade on Fjord. Yeah, dollar tries to figure out what it wants to do. That can go. Because why not? Boom, boom. Yeah. No context on hourly. I mean on daily for a swing trade. And 5 minutes I bet was too. Yeah. Boom, boom. Then this guy. Yeah, nothing. Interesting. SPY refuses to give up. You would expect, right? You would expect some correction. Is it now a balance? It is a balance. So, oof. Oof. Watch it. Watch it. Same deal, same deal. The tension is building. The tension is building. It's in this balance now as well. Hey child, stay wild. That would have been a stop. And that's exactly why. You see how instead of 1 R, that would be like 1.5 R. It's not horrible, but it can gap like way more. Why was I? Wait. False alarm. It's not a transition extreme, so we would need a closed. Yeah, no. It's hallucinating. That was doable at transition extreme on daily, but not on after it's been broke and went higher. Well, IWM, Posi, Fjord, now officially in correction on daily. It's interesting, to say the very least. That would be an interesting level to buy, for sure. Especially considering this 0.5. That would be like super cool. Yeah. Previous T2 0.5 doesn't matter anymore. 1/2. No, 1 second. Is it the thing to say about 0.5? Can you say it like 1 second? Because in Russian it makes sense. A half, 0.5. I'm looking for synonyms of 0.5. You guys help me. But anyhow, regardless, it changed the direction, so it doesn't matter anymore. We are in this situation. situation. So it was good to take 2R here and walk away. That would be very interesting. I'd buy more from here. It's pleasure. Yeah. MOEX. Oh, it's my new trade. I still need to document it. I'll do it later. TKK. That'll be alright for a quick day trade, something. Boom. Intel officially is in a break. The situation. And the bigger volume is here, so this is legitimate level. Oh my gosh. Will it go all the way here? This volume is no bueno. I'm stuck on this guy. Like, woo, wake up there. How can I say? Be collecting my dividends. Look at this guy. If not for this volume, that would be another entry here. Maybe an hour. Yeah, this is like too spicy. So that would need a test then on daily. And an hour, there's not much. Yeah. Boom. This guy. Yeah, this was a mistake. What can I say? What can I say? It continues lower. It continues lower. Only I was able to free up my capital from Pfizer. I got stuck on this guy. It's not horrible but the level is broken. And I should have reasoned in this hyper volume, mega volume. Yeah, not smart. Dividends tomorrow. Oh, it will gap. Oh, it will gap. Hey, child. Super technically it's a balance, but realistically, not really. Let's see Pfizer just to pat myself on the back. Yeah. Still goes lower. I did a miraculous escape from Pfizer. I told you already. If I kept my limit order, it would have not broken me even. And I would be stuck on this guy now, biting my nails. Because it was missing my limit by like 1.5 tick. So I broke even at 26.045 and my original profit was 26.06 with entry price 26.03. I would be crying my eyes out. But now I'm good. I made dividends and I made 2R here, so good job, Mishka. Good job. ZTS though. ZTS? How did you call it ZTS? Maybe it will bounce from here. We'll see about that. Samalot finally breaks this level, so we did our, I didn't do it, but there was 2R on the table on the way down. Wait, where am I in Samalot? Yeah, there was no context for investment trade, but on an hourly 2R was like right here. And you see, like it did it by tick, and now breaking it. Yeah, too tight of a trade. That would be. But I want to see, where am I? Oh, I'm all the way up there. Well, all in all, doesn't look horrible. This volume, I think it'll be good. Comes to think of it, just because there was no correction, normally I don't do that, but since there was no correction whatsoever, just one big impulse in 3 bars. And look at this volume, so I can put it here as a sign of strength. Yeah. And then the whole thing makes sense. Biggest volume. And then it's a transition extremum. Never mind the 0.5. And the whole thing is done. Hey child, stay wild. Let's not do that. Yeah, let's not do that. Anyhow, I'm still in this guy. The only problem with Micron technology is that it didn't close the month yet. So you can apply yeah. Hourly 1 hour volume distribution looks good. However, monthly is not in the right place. It needs to close into a break, not only into a break, but also in continuation of the trend. So this needs to close bullish. And there is nothing that would suggest. Ooh. Oh my god. Something weird happened here. Something weird. And not in a good way. Yeah. This doesn't look good at all. Went down to 0.5 and then boom, test, retest. And that would have been 2R with the stop limit, or that would have been a stop loss with stop market. Boom, it's at the monthly level. Good for short. Boom. Yeah, that would have worked. This little guy here. But balance. And then break. Yeah, no. Yeah. Okay. I'm not happy with my ZTS. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What happened to Surgut Nefty Gas? It's down. Ugh. Who do you do? Wait, there's too many. There's too many. This volume is super alarming. Boom. Earnings didn't go as planned. Surprise. You see, surprise, surprise, and market doesn't care. But dividends. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I don't know. Let's put it on a watch, but skeptical. Yeah, this is weird. You know? Again, like, mega volume. Why? Why it's so big? This is a nice consolidation though. But then this comes in. Volume T1, it was the biggest volume and there's even bigger volume. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to watch. Boom. Did it give us a chance? No, nothing. But nothing compared. Continuation of the trend, no chance, no nothing. Yeah, just went down. Interesting. And interesting. But nothing compares. A break. So high though, give me a break. Just continuation of the trend, endless. Endless continuation of the trend. Well, it's gotta stop somewhere. It's gonna happen somewhere. T1 went a little higher. 27th of June though. Let's watch it. And that's continuation of the trend. Okay guys, I gotta go. I'm not happy with my GTS. Should have not. Shouldn't, couldn't, wouldn't. Should've, would've. Should've, would've, could've, but didn't. Should've not taken this trade. Just because solely of this volume distribution while we are in correction on annual. Anyhow, take care, trade responsibly. On your own, never listen to anyone, no one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people. That's just myself. Take care.